Hi Jordan, what are we doing today, man?
Today we're building a gravel bike from a Northern Irish company called Fustle. So we're not rolling any fatties
Fustle?
today. Fustle.
Deadly.
No fatties today.
What does it say on your shirt again?
Roll a fatty.
Wow, it actually looks like you know what you're doing.
Wow.
Shifting completely perfectly adjusted. Stem is even aligned and the rollers don't even rub. Straight out of the box.
Straight out of the box, perfect.
Can't go wrong.
Amazing.
Clutch on, clutch off.
So here we are, finishing up the Fustle build. I must be straight up, it's been a delightful build to have done. The Causeway GRX, it really is a sick bike. And our master mechanic, Jordan, eating his soup, is going to give us any last thoughts. Any last thoughts, Jordan? Besides the fact that you haven't seen the Big Lebowski?
That I can neither confirm nor deny. But yeah, this bike is sick. It comes with a checklist of everything they do in the factory, so you know that straight out of the box it's going to be legitimately solid.
It's deadly, isn't it?
Be a good build.
Really, really well thought out.
Yeah, really.
Guys,
Really.
and really well
Graphics look
packaged,
sick.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Really well packaged.
the graphics look sick. Quality of the build is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Would you buy one?
I'd have one. I'd go flat bar though. So
Flat bar.
yeah.